see flood. Oh, they told us when we moved into this estate that that it will be like this, and I've been waiting for it since January. I've been waiting for rainy season to see this flood. Finally it's here. Every time it rains, I'll just rush out to the balcony to see, and I will not see anything. This morning I came out to see the flood. The good thing is that the houses are built higher, the foundations are a little higher, so it doesn't get into the compound. It doesn't see our gate, it doesn't come inside, you know. Thank God we are moving out of this place. See the almighty chevron. Here is Chevy View Estate. In here, see our precious Chevy View Estate. Thank God we are moving into the other part of Lekki that does not have flood. I can't wait to get it fucked, man. I can't wait to move out of this place. But this is fascinating. I feel like going downstairs to put my leg inside the water. See all those people coming forward. Yeah.